Today we're looking at cotton fields and cotton harvest in the Mississippi Delta. Cotton has attracted much interest in the last few weeks as the price has risen due to weather-related losses. This machine will remove the lint from the stalk, and the lint will be captured in a basket and later dumped into a module that will be compacted in preparation for harvest to transport to the gin. Cotton fields like this have some of the better soil types in the Delta and are priced accordingly. They rarely come on the market, and very few are for sale at this time.